Have you ever stopped to question why, as a society, we are so obsessed with material wealth? We're standing at a crossroads, with one path leading towards the mirage of endless accumulation, where success is gauged by digits and progress by possessions. This phantom we chase is fueled by a flawed educational system that ties merit with material worth, transforming us into cogs in a machine, forever pursuing hollow promises of personal fortune. We're so submerged in ambition that we've become oblivious to the faces around us, our hearts hardened by isolation and self-interest. But should this be the pinnacle of human achievement? Should our destiny be solely centered on personal gain? The answer is a resounding no. While we hoard imaginary riches, children across the globe yearn for a simple meal. It's time to break free from this self-made prison. But there is another path, paved not with gold but with empathy and shared joy. It's a path where happiness isn't a trophy to be won, but a seed to be sown. It's a journey we embark on, not as solitary explorers, but as part of a vibrant, interconnected community. This is about reclaiming happiness from the clutches of greed. It's about understanding that our joy multiplies when shared, not hoarded. It's about acts of kindness that ripple out, touching lives and creating a harmony that resonates far beyond our individual selves. Imagine a world where success is not a lonely peak but a chorus of laughter echoing through connected hearts. It's a world where we measure our wealth not in bank balances, but in the number of smiles we've sparked. It's a world where we find fulfillment not in the things we acquire, but in the love we share, the bonds we forge, and the lives we touch. We learn to find fulfillment not in the things we acquire but in the smiles we evoke. At DIY Happy Hearts, we're not building robots or spaceships. We're crafting something far more revolutionary, a tapestry of human connection. We're not just creating content, we're forging bonds of empathy and understanding that bridge the chasms of indifference. Our mission goes beyond mere entertainment. It's about building ecosystems of joy, where happiness blooms from the seeds of kindness we plant today. We're not just a YouTube channel, we're a community of hearts, pulsating with the shared rhythm of compassion. We believe that the most precious treasures are not the ones you can hold in your hands, but the ones that reside in the hearts you touch. Our tools are not made of steel and silicon, but of love and goodwill. Our blueprint is not a sterile diagram, but a vibrant living map of smiles, laughter, and shared stories. Let's make DIY Happy Hearts not just a channel but a movement, a revolution of kindness that ripples across the globe. This, my friends, is the true path to success. This is the legacy worth leaving behind. We have journeyed together through the mirage of material wealth, the path of shared happiness, and the revolution of kindness. We've seen how the pursuit of possessions can leave us empty, while the cultivation of joy in our communities can fill our hearts. Now it's time to take these insights and apply them to our own lives. Let's shift our focus from hoarding to sharing, from self-interest to empathy. Let's redefine success as a chorus of laughter, a tapestry of human connection, a world where every heart beats with the joy of belonging. Join us in this revolution of kindness. Be part of the movement that crafts happiness not just for ourselves, but for every beating soul on this planet. Together, let's build a world where every heart beats with the joy of belonging, where every smile is a reflection of our shared humanity. Let's craft a happier world, one DIY happy heart at a time. At